Welcome to Erie Fitness Now. Are you stepping into a new workout routine this spring? Well, check us out and check out the local gyms near you. And you're going to find that many of the clubs are set up so you have energy centers designed for you to get into the type of classes or workouts that you're looking for most. At Erie Fitness Now, we've got rooms set up for spinning, and we have areas set up for strength training and functional training. Not to mention our coaches who are ready to hook you up with the information that you need to get started right day one. At Erie Fitness Now, we offer you 2 free Connect sessions so we can show you the gym, explain the movements that are going to be best for you to perform for what your fitness goal is. As we walk through the middle of the gym here, guys, you're going to be coming into functional training surrounded by other pieces of equipment. So to my right, you have selectorized equipment. This is selectorized life fitness equipment. Selectorized means there's a little pin that you adjust the weight in. Functional training means you're going to be using your full body and your body weight for movements on the TRXs, bands, anything that you can do on turf, and many other functional training pieces of equipment that are kind of designated for the athletic trainer. However, it has been used more and more in general fitness and conditioning, and we like to use it because you burn a lot more calories and you gain a lot more mobility while doing it. So everything from selectorized to functional training is modern. It's what we're using, and there are areas at your local fitness club designated to do all of that. But check this out. Cardio equipment has changed a lot too. You've got various different types of cardio equipment ranging from treadmills, ellipticals, stair mills, and even water rowing machines. Then you've got brand new lines of equipment from Hammer Strength, Life Fitness, Rogue Fitness. There are so many pieces of equipment, and it is great to use all of it. The big question is when and why. So that's a big part of the reason why you should come into your workout this spring with a program that you really know is going to work for you and that is designed for your fitness goals. And at Erie Fitness Now, we do that every single day. That's what we do on the floor, helping our members learn how to use this stuff and understand where these designated areas are going to suit them best on which day. So guys, if you're looking for answers, step into Erie Fitness Now. We got your back this spring. We got 2 months until summer. Give us a call. Check us out online, eriefitnessnow.com. Click the button on training, and we'll get you 2 free Connect sessions. We'll get you up with a free week program and all of the answers to the questions that you have. You guys have a great spring. Count on us for your fitness goals. We'll see you here.